was reported, did a little minor damage, uprooted some trees. Tonight, we've got a severe thunderstorm warning for Brevard County, Melbourne, the Satellite Beach area. Watch out there for some very, very heavy rains. Earlier, there was a tornado watch that was in effect for parts of South Carolina. That has now been canceled, whittled away and canceled. But then on the north side of this storm, look out, baby. Where you see white, that's where we've got snow flying right now. Same storm, snowing in Oklahoma City, snowing in Cape Girardeau, snowing in Marion, Illinois, Evansville, Indianapolis, Findlay, Cleveland, Detroit, Erie, Pennsylvania, Wilkes-Barre, and Boston, Massachusetts. Look at that expanse. I mean, how long would it take you to drive that? From Boston to Oklahoma City, what, about 18 hours, something like that? Incredible. Upper level low still sitting back here. We've got our surface low here. We're expecting that this low will weaken and give rise to some kind of a coastal low, and that will continue on its way toward the northeast. And I'll tell you, that may keep the cold air right in here along the coast. We'll get to that a little more in depth here in a second. Look at the snow. This has been the storm track over the last several days, coming down through the Rockies. Skiers there are just absolutely beside themselves, thrilled by what they're seeing out there. Fresh powder for us from Sun Valley all the way down to Sandia Peak in New Mexico. Then we had some snow last night, Abilene, Texas, 3 inches of snow. You could have done some skiing there. Some heavy wet snow in Dallas. That was over during the wee hours. And then we really got going out here, out near Fayetteville and Harrison, Arkansas. Down toward Branson, up to Council Bluffs, a little bit of snow. In St. Louis, we've got 8.5 inches of snow on the ground. And this continues all the way up north of the Ohio River. Evansville, 2 inches of snow last hour alone. Kind of the last gasp of the heavy snow here. And now we're beginning to really pile it up here in northern Ohio. Travel is not a good idea unless it's between here and maybe the fridge for something to drink. Maybe a nice cup of tea here tonight in Ohio. You don't want to go outside. We've got some sleet in southeast Ohio. Cleveland, it's snowing. Canton, Akron, and Youngstown, it's coming down like crazy. It's a winter wonderland. We've got high pressure here, very cold air coming down to meet this system. Warmer air aloft, moving in from the southwest. Overrunning snows all through here, all the way into North Jersey. New York City reporting mostly rain at the present time. We've been kind of going back and forth. We've had some heavy wet snow for most of the evening. Now we're back to rain, but we're likely to change back to snow, if not later tonight, tomorrow. Still a very tough call exactly where this cold air is. Here in Philadelphia, the Philadelphia area, southeast PA, the Delaware Valley, down into Wilmington, we've got rain, but the temperature is 31 or 32. So you know what's happening to that rain. It's icing up power lines and trees and your sidewalk, bridges and overpasses. So you talk about bad travel conditions. That is it. Please watch it out here. Don't go out if you don't have to. This could get worse before it gets better. And it's snowing here in Boston, just some light snow. Now, we're kicking up the winds. High pressure there, low pressure here. The winds are going to be blowing in through Long Island Sound, and that will last through the day on Wednesday. We'll have some more snow showers on Thursday, too. Right along the coast, could be mixed with a little rain. New York City, a mixed bag. North Jersey, lower Hudson Valley, Litchfield Hills, looks like it's all snow for you. Philadelphia, freezing rain, then changing to rain, back to snow showers on Wednesday night. In Pittsburgh, it's raining now. You'll change over to snow. Temperatures will fall tomorrow with the snow. Atlanta, Georgia, with a high temperature today, about 60. They'll see falling temperatures. They get in on some of the cold air and maybe even a snow shower. Can you believe that? We'll cool down in Florida about 10 or 15 degrees. Further north, it's just plain old cold. We're in the Arctic region here. Chicago, 24 for a high temperature. Where do we go to warm up? Right here in Los Angeles, 75. Coming up next, we'll check those highways.